Oh, you. Yeah, he does. Yeah. Yeah, he does. He wants to walk. It makes Mommy so happy. Yes. And we back around we go. Back around we go. Around we go. Yeah, good. Yeah, good. Yeah, good. Good. Yeah, that's a good boy. Good decision. Good boy. Yeah, good decision. Yes. Good boy. Yeah. Good. Good boy. Oh, we're going to do it in the middle of the pole, so that's intriguing. It's not going to work, but it's intriguing. We haven't made a decision yet. Huh, good. Good decision. Good decision. Good decision. He's trying to be wise guy. He's walking, so I'm not going to turn him until he stops. But he's still pinning his ears and not wanting to listen about going forward. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, so much effort. Come on. Good. Good. Good boy. Yeah. Good. What a good boy. What a good boy. Nope. Oh, you fall. That was the wrong answer. Yeah. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Good. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Nope. 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 Good. That's the right answer. Good. Good answer. Good answer. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Good boy. And walk. Yeah, that was a good answer. Yeah. It's not hard. I'm not asking you for algebra. Yeah. Yeah. Good boy. And walk. Yeah, good boy. Yeah. He's daring me to pick a fight with him, and I'm really avoiding it. Just sticking to my guns, asking him for what he knows, correcting him when he gives a bad answer, or the incorrect response, let's put it that way. Good boy. That was very good boy. Yeah, good. Very nice. And he's very deep here, which is fine. He wants to stretch, that's good. He's sticking with the contact, so that's good. And walk. Yeah, good. Yeah. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. It was very nice. And walk. Good boy. This is where he gets shitty down here. Good. Good. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah. Being very, very easy with him. Letting him be a little deeper. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Some big steps. Big steps. Good walk. Yeah. Trying to be very diplomatic. Yeah. Good. Good. Very good boy. Very good boy. Very good boy. Well, I was going to take you over the poles, but I guess you don't want to go that time. Let's try the next time around. Yeah, good. Good boy. Good. Good. Oh my goodness, look at those big bounces. Good walk. Very good boy. All right, we are stopping there because he was cooperating, he was stretching, and he got a couple bucks in on me in an attempt to rear, but I got him pretty quickly back into that circle. And we're going to just have to keep reinforcing the circles since they seem to be effective. We didn't have as much tantruming today. Yeah, I know. Big sigh. I was pretty pleased with that. That was nice. We're just going to have to build up. What I did was I free lunged him in the round pen, which is got an incline. So I did some free lunging at canter in there, and I think I'm going to do that for a little bit and really work on his stamina a little bit there without the ride or without the tack. And then at the end of the bit of lunging that I was doing, he was reaching down and in a really nice trot. So that was good. And then I noticed he wanted to reach down out here, so I gave him a nice stretchy trot just to give him something positive. Yeah, because he was positive once he decided to listen. Yes, once you decided to listen. And I didn't have to get him with the whip at all. I'm trying to avoid that, just trying to get him off of my seat and leg. And hopefully we will, there you go, get past this little bit of screw you, or make me. Oh, because that's kind of what's happening. Oh, what a good boy. What a good boy. What a good boy. Yeah, so this is kind of residual from him being gelded. And if you notice, I've got some brushing boots on tonight, so those are new. Don't think they're fitting properly. But we'll fix that in time. Yes, you were very good. I was quite happy with that. So thanks for watching. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the like and the subscribe button, and ding the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Again, thanks for watching.